In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create navigation buttons in PDFs with Adobe Acrobat. This skill is especially useful if you want to enhance the interactivity of your PDF documents, making them more user-friendly and easier to navigate. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This software is a powerful tool that offers a wide range of features, and today, we'll focus on creating buttons for navigation within your document. Once you have your PDF open, the next step is to go to the Tools section. In this area, you'll find various options that allow you to modify your document in different ways. For our purposes, locate and select the Prepare Form feature. This tool is essential for adding and customizing interactive elements. After selecting Prepare Form, you'll want to click on the Button tool. This is where the magic happens. The Button tool allows us to create clickable areas within the PDF that can trigger specific actions, such as moving to a different page. Now, click and drag within the document where you want to place this button. Try to position it in a spot where it's visible and logical for navigation, like the top or bottom of a page. Once you've placed the button, it's time to define its properties. Under the General tab, you'll need to set a name for your button. This step is crucial as it helps you identify the button's function later, especially if you're adding multiple buttons. It's a good practice to choose a descriptive name such as Next Page or Go Back, which clearly indicates the button's role. Now, since we've set a name, let's move on to assigning the navigation action to the button. This involves setting what the button will do when clicked. You can link it to a specific page number or section of your document. This is particularly useful in lengthy PDFs where users need an efficient way to jump to different parts without scrolling extensively. If your PDF requires more advanced navigation functions, you might need to paste a JavaScript snippet in the Actions section. JavaScript can offer more flexibility and power, especially for complex navigation or other interactive features. However, keep in mind that this step is optional and should be used according to your needs and comfort with scripting. Finally, once you've set up your navigation buttons with the desired actions, don't forget to save your PDF. Saving ensures all your changes are stored securely. Simply go to File and click Save. Now, when you or anyone else opens this PDF, the navigation buttons will be ready to use, making navigating through the document a breeze. With these steps, you've successfully created navigation buttons in your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This skill can significantly improve the user experience of your PDFs, making them interactive and easier to use. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating.